Hi, this is Sarah Ottey with Mint Realty Co. and I'm back at the Dream 36 development in Ironshore, Montego Bay. You can see the structure behind me, and I'm going to take you inside so that you can see the progress they've made with the entire building and the model unit in particular. Let's go inside. Such a gorgeous day at Dream 36. I am on the roof at the moment and the view is spectacular. What a wonderful view. Look at that. Wow. And then the hills as a backdrop. And up here on the roof, you'll actually have more amenities. There'll be a rooftop bar. There will be an infinity edge swimming pool. I'm going to take you over towards that area. Oh, look at that mountain view. Gorgeous. So green and lush. And then right here is where the swimming pool is going to be, the rooftop pool. So you'll have an infinity edge which will have that waterfall effect over the side of the building. This will be the view from the pool. There are only a few units left, so remember, if you're interested, please drop a comment below. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks and take care. Bye bye.